What's up, guys? Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and what is better in the summertime than seafood? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make spaghetti with clams. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. I combined some olive oil and butter in our pan, and to that we are going to add plenty of chopped garlic. We're just going to give that a minute to cook. Garlic smells amazing, so now we're going to add in our clams very gently. We don't want them to crack. I'm going to use my hand actually. And clams are pretty juicy, so as these guys open up, they're going to add some more liquid to the pot. We're going to lower our heat a little bit, and I'm going to cover these, and we're going to let everything cook until the clams open up. Okay, so we see our clams have mostly opened up. Looks like we might have a dud over there, but that's fine. As long as they even open up a little bit, they should be good to go. So at this point, they've been steaming for about 8 minutes. I'm going to add in some white wine. And we'll give those guys that are holding out on us another 2 minutes to keep going. In the meantime, I've got our pasta boiling. This is just about ready to roll. As soon as this is al dente, we're gonna strain it and put it in with our clams. Okay, our pasta's al dente. Turn that off. Gonna drain it. And this is dried pasta, so it worked out really well because in the 10 minutes it takes for the clams to cook, the pasta cooks. Going right in. We're gonna toss this all together. Make sure our pasta gets well coated with the oil and the butter. And to finish everything off and make it look pretty, we're gonna add in some chopped fresh parsley. Serve your spaghetti with an extra drizzle of fresh, extra virgin olive oil, and that is it for this week in the Cucina. Hey guys, let me know in the comments what else you would like to add to this dish or what other dishes you would like to see here in the Cucina. You can get the recipe at caradifalco.com, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube. I'll see you guys next time. Buon appetito.